Okay, let's dive into this. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we're going to absolutely crack the code on a problem that is honestly incredibly frustrating for creators everywhere. I'm talking about that dreaded 100 to 300 view plateau on YouTube Shorts. You know the one. If you've been uploading consistently but find yourself just totally stuck at that exact number, well, you're in the right place. We're going to fix that today. To break you out of that stagnation, we'll be walking through a definitive 5-part blueprint: the viral shorts reality, mastering the visual hook, riding trending audio waves, hashtags and upload secrets, and finally, the call to action loop.
All right, let's jump right into part 1, the viral shorts reality.
Look, it's completely validating to acknowledge that you can put in hours and hours of hard work only to see terribly low views. It hurts. But the truth is, the fundamental game of short-form content has shifted. The old playbook of relying heavily on your existing subscriber base, pushing instant public uploads, and just crossing your fingers hoping for views, that simply doesn't work anymore. The new way demands an aggressive algorithmic strategy. We're talking visual hooks, strategic unlisted upload periods, and actually leveraging data-driven audio charts. And why is this new strategy so demanding? Because of this number right here: 3. You literally have a maximum of 3 seconds to capture a viewer's attention before they just swipe away. 3 seconds. That's an incredibly tiny window to prove your video is actually worth their time. Which brings us to part 2, mastering the visual hook. Since we only have those 3 fleeting seconds, we have to stop that rapid-fire scroll immediately, right? That is exactly what a hook does. It's that critical first moment of your video. Think of it as an engaging, surprising, or highly active clip slapped right at the very beginning, designed specifically to grab attention and prevent algorithmic death. You really have to remember, Shorts audiences are not sitting back on their couch to watch a long-form documentary. They require immediate, non-boring visual stimulation the millisecond your video hits their screen. So, the crucial point is summarized perfectly right here. If they swipe away immediately, the algorithm gets the message that your video is boring. Period. If a viewer skips in those first few seconds, your video's reach is essentially killed. YouTube is absolutely not going to push content that fails to hold initial attention. To combat this, you can even search for and download pre-made hook clips right from your browser and stitch them onto the very front of your content just to buy yourself those first vital seconds. Moving on to part 3. Riding trending audio waves. Okay, so you've hooked them. Now you need the exact background audio the algorithm is already actively pushing. And spoiler alert, the standard app trending section won't give you the precise data you need for this. Instead, try this workflow. First, open Chrome and search for YouTube charts. Second, filter specifically by short songs for the current day. Third, scan that list and look for a green arrow next to a track. And fourth, click through to the videos using it and hit Use this sound directly in the app. This totally bypasses the guesswork and hands you pure algorithmic gold. And this brilliantly illustrates why that green arrow is so crucial. It indicates a song that is rapidly moving up in rank, say jumping from number 4 to number 2 overnight. You do not want stagnant audio. No, you want a track that's gaining explosive momentum right now to act as your algorithmic piggyback. You're essentially attaching your short to a trend YouTube is already prioritizing. All right, part 4, hashtags and upload secrets. Honestly, creating the short is only half the battle. The upload process completely dictates your search optimization and algorithmic positioning. So here's your exact upload checklist for the YouTube Studio app. First, always paste your video's title right into the first line of the description. Next, add 15 to 20 trending hashtags. But don't just guess these. Go to the Trends tab within the Shorts section, see what tags the top videos are currently using, and apply those to your description. Finally, make sure Shorts remixing is allowed in your settings. This is absolutely huge for maximizing your organic reach. But there is one highly counterintuitive secret weapon in the upload phase, and it revolves around the number 1. Upload your short as unlisted for exactly 1 hour before changing its visibility to public. This is vital. This unlisted hour gives the YouTube algorithm the necessary time to fully process your video, read all those trending hashtags you just added, and analyze your audio choice. When you finally flip that switch to public after 60 minutes, the algorithm already knows exactly which audience feed to inject your video into. It's a real game changer. And finally, part 5, the call to action loop. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how this final step capitalizes entirely on the closing moments of your video.
A call to action, or CTA, is a strategic prompt placed at the very end designed to force viewer engagement and, crucially, trigger background replays. It effectively manipulates the algorithm in your favor by transforming a passive scroller into an active participant.
To execute this, you want to ask a question right as the video is ending, something that demands an immediate response. For example, asking something like, "Do you want a part two?" Or "Who do you think was right in this situation?" These exact types of questions practically provoke the viewer into immediately opening up the comment section just to share their thoughts.
And here is where the absolute magic happens, the loop. Listen to this. While those viewers are typing out their comment, your short is continuously replaying in the background. Because they're engaged with the comment section and haven't swiped away, the video loops again and again. This artificially skyrockets your viewer retention metrics. The algorithm sees people seemingly watching your short multiple times over, assumes the content must be incredible, and immediately pushes it out to an even wider audience. It's brilliant.
So, here is my rallying cry to you. Commit to this 7-second strategy consistently for exactly 1 month. Implement the visual hooks, ride those YouTube charts, audio waves, use the 1-hour unlisted trick with the trending hashtags, and build in that call to action loop. Test this complete 4-step blueprint for the next 30 days and just watch what happens to your view count plateau.
It's time to stop leaving your reach up to chance. Armed with the 7-second strategy and a deep understanding of what the algorithm actually wants, what will your next upload look like? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I really can't wait to see what you create.